Hello, my dear students. How are you all? Welcome to Mehdi English School. Myself Nilofer Miss and my subject is mathematics. For which class this lecture is? So this lecture is for the class 2. So let's begin the lecture with the today's quote, and here is the quote, that work hard and be nice. So here in the place work, you have to imagine the study. You have to study hard and be nice with everyone. Understood this? This is very deep lines, so please follow it. Now let's begin our lecture. I hope you like the videos and you attend the Google Meet sessions. So if you having any doubt regarding the lectures or videos, you can ask me in the Google Meet session. So please watch the videos also and attend the Google Meet lectures also. Now we are going to do revision of the chapter number 8, which is exploring multiplication further. This is the name of this chapter. So let's begin the revision for the essay 2. So we are going to do a new topic today. We complete in the previous lecture we had done the worksheet of the regrouping tens. So today let's go for the textbook exercise. So if any work is incomplete, so you can complete it while watching the video. So let's start the textbook exercise now. So let's start the exercise 8C of your textbook. Which exercise we are going to do today? We are going to do exercise 8C of your textbook. Let's start this exercise today. So if anyone's works is incomplete, so please complete it while watching the video. So let's start exercise 8C. We already done exercise 8C question number 1. We already done that question number 1. So let's go for the question number 2, which is the heading for this question is regrouping tens. So let's start solving this question 2. Anyone's works is incomplete, so please complete it while watching the video. Now sum number A, let's take it first. Sum number A, 61 multiplied by 2. What the first question is? 61 multiplied by 2. So here now we are doing so many multiplication sums. We are doing so many revision worksheets. So many sums we already had done. So I hope that you all are able to solve this types of sum by yourself. That is very easy sums. Now let's multiply 2 with the ones value, which is 1. So 2 ones is equal to, or 1 twos are. Both the answers you will get the same. Both the multiplication sentences are same. 1 twos and 2 ones is equal to 2. So we can write down 2 under the ones column this way. Now 2 six and 6 twos both are the same thing. 2 six and 6 twos both are same. So we can write down 12 this way. Both the multiplication sentence gives you the same answer. 6 twos and 2 six is equal to 12. So the answer for the sum number A, product for the sum number A is 122. What is the answer for the sum number A? It is 122. Now let's go for the sum number B, which is 92 multiplied by 3. What the next sum is? 92 multiplied by 3. So let's multiply 3 with the 2 first. 3 multiplied by 2. So 3 twos or 2 threes is equal to 6. So both the multiplication sentences will give you the same answer. 3 twos or 2 threes both are equal to 6. So this way we can write down 6 under the ones column. You can check this. Now let's multiply 3 with the 9, which is the tens value. 3 nines and 9 threes. both are the same thing. 3 nines and 9 threes is equal to 27. This way we can write down 27 here. 7 we can write down under the tens column, or 2 we can write down under the hundreds column. Now how we can read this? The sum number B's answer, how we can read it? We can read this as a 276. That is the way to read. 276. This is the answer, and you also have to repeat the answer or the sum after me. Now the sum number C, 64 multiplied by 2. What the sum is? 64 multiplied by 2. Now 2 fours and 4 twos. Both the multiplication sentences are same, and it will give you the same answers. 4 twos is equal to 8 and 2 fours is also equal to 8. So we can write down 8 under the ones column this way. Now let's go for the next. For the tens column, 2 6 is equal to 12 and 6 twos is also equal to 12. This way we can write down the answer. Now what the answer for the question number C is? 128. This is the answer. What the answer is? 128. You have to read it with me. 128. Now the sum number D, 71 multiplied by 6. Now 6 ones or 1 6 both will give you the same answer. 6 ones and 1 6 is equal to 6. You have to write it down under the ones column. Now let's multiply 6 with the 7 or 7 with the 6. So if you swap this digit 6 with 7 or 7 with 6, that is no different will come in the answer. Both the sentences will give you the same answer. 6 sevens or 7 6 is equal to 42. So this way we can write down 42, and this is the answer. So how we can read this answer? 426. You have to repeat after me. That 2 we can write down under the tens column, and 4 we can write down under the hundreds column. So how we can read the answer? 426. Now next topic of today, regrouping the tens and ones together. First of all, we are taking regrouping ones. After completing the exercise and the worksheet of it, we had done the regroup the ones, and once we are taking regroup the tens. So both the things we already completed. So now let's take both the things together. Regroup the tens and ones. Let's regroup ones and tens together. So I am having one multiplication worksheet for you. Some practice worksheet is there. Now let's take the sum number 1. Here it is, you can see. Now 2 fours or 4 twos both are equal to 8. So let's write the 8 first. Here you can see 2 fours or 4 twos is equal to 8. So this way we can write down the 8. Now 8 twos or 2 eights. How much it is? So it is 2 eights or 8 twos is equal to 16. So we can just write down the answer 168, or how we can read it? We can read the answer as 168. This way we can read the answer. Now let's go for the sum number 2. See this, 91 multiplied by 7. You can see on the screen that sum. Now let's multiply 7 with 1. 1 sevens or 7 ones is equal to 7. 1 sevens and 7 ones is equal to 7. Now 9 sevens or 7 nines, how much it is equal to? If you know the table, you can give me the answer instantly. No need to time for thinking also. As I said the sentence, the answer is already you have. Now 9 sevens are or 7 nines are is equal to 63. So how we can read the answer? 637. We can read the answer as a 637. Now let's go for the sum number 3. 82 multiplied by 3. Let's go for the next sum. Sum number 3 is 82 multiplied by 3. Now 3 twos are or 2 threes are here. 3 twos are and 2 threes are is equal to 6. So we can write down 6 under the ones column. You can see I am writing 6 under the ones column. Now check this, 3 eights are or 8 threes are. How much it is? So 8 threes are or 3 eights are is equal to 24. So let's write this way 24. So what the answer is? Just check the answer. 246. Or how we can read the answer? We can read the answer as a 246. How we can read it? 246. This is the answer. So I hope you understood this sum. Let's move for the next sum, which is sum number 4. 41 multiplied by 2. This is the next sum. 41 multiplied by 2. Now 2, let's multiply with the 1. Or 1 multiplied by 2. Both are the same thing. 1 twos are and 2 ones are is equal to 2. 1 twos are and 2 ones are is equal to 2. Now let's multiply 2 with the 4. So how much it is? 2 fours are or 4 twos are? How much it is? It is 8. 4 twos are or 2 fours are is equal to 8. So let's write the 8 in the sum number 4 under the tens column. So how we can read the answer for this? It is 82. Now let's move for the sum number 5. Here is the sum number 5. 12 multiplied by 3. So let's multiply 3 with 2 or 2 with 3. How much it is? 3 with 2 or 2 with 3? It is equal to 6. So let's write down 6 under the ones column. Now let's multiply 3 with 1, which is the tens value. 1 threes are and 3 ones are is equal to 3. So let's write down 3 under the tens column. So what the answer is? The answer is for the sum number 5. The product is for the sum number 5 is 36. Now let's go for the sum number 6, which is 62 multiplied by 3. 62 multiplied by 3. Now 3 twos are or 2 threes are. Both are equal to same thing. So 3 twos are is equal to 6. So we can write down 6 under the ones column this way. Now 6 threes are or 6 threes are is equal to 18. So what the final answer is? 186. This is the final answer. So we completed this worksheet. Let's move to the next topic. So here is the next worksheet now. The multiplication sum is 19 multiplied by 2. So here we follow the same steps. First of all, let's multiply 2 with the 9. 9 is the ones value. So let's multiply 9 with 2 or 2 with 9 and is equal to 18. 9 twos are or 2 nines are is equal to 18. So first of all, let's write 8 here under the ones column, and we can put 1 as a carry forwarded number. Here you can see we put 8 under the ones column, and the 1 we can put as a carry forwarded number at the tens column. Now 2 ones are, we have to multiply 2 with ones. 1 is a tens value. So we can multiply 2 with 1. 2 ones are and 1 twos are is equal to 2. And we have to add one number which is carry forwarded number. We have to add in this 2. So 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. So we have to write down 3 under the tens column. So what is the answer for this sum is? The proper answer, the product for this sum is 38. This is the answer. 19 multiplied by 2 is equal to 38. Now let's move for the next sum, which is 33 multiplied by 4. What the next sum is? 33 multiplied by 4. So here let's multiply 4 with 3 or 3 with 4. So 4 3s and 3 4s. Both are the same multiplication sentence, and both the multiplication sentence will give you the same answer. 4 3s and 3 4s is equal to 12. 1 to 12, so we can write down 2 this way. Under the ones column, here you can see 3 4s or 4 3s is equal to 12. So we can write down 2 here under the ones column, or we can put 1 as a carry forwarded number at the tens column. Now again 4 3s and 3 4s. How much it is together? 3 4s and 4 3s. How much it is? So 3 4s or 4 3s is equal to 12. But we are not writing 12 as the answer. We have to add one number, which is carry forwarded number. We have to add into the 12. 3 4s or 4 3s is equal to 12 plus 1 we have to add in it. We have to add one number into 12. So 12 plus 1 is equal to 13. So how we can read the whole answer? 132. This is the whole answer. How we can read it? 132. This is the answer. Now let's move for the next sum, which is 27 multiplied by 5. What the next sum is? 27 multiplied by 5. Now 5 7s or 7 5s. How much it is? 5 7s or 7 5s is equal to 35. How much? 35. So we can write down 5 here under the ones column, or we can just put a carry 3 number as a carry forwarded number at the tens column. 7 5s or 5 7s are 35. So I can write down 5 under the ones column, or 3 we can just move at the tens column as a carry forwarded number. Now let's multiply 5 with the tens value. So here the tens value is 2. 5 2s or 2 5s. Both are equal to 10. But we are not writing 10. We have to add 3 number into 10. So 10 plus 3 is equal to 13. How much it is? 5 2s are 10 plus 3, which is carry forwarded number, we have to add into 10. So 10 plus 3 is equal to 13. So what is the answer? 135. This is the answer, that is the product. Now let's move for the next sum, which is 64 multiplied by 5. What is the next sum? 64 multiplied by 5. This is the next sum. Now let's multiply 5 with 4 or 4 with 5. 5 4s or 4 5s is equal to 20. How much? 20. So we can write down 0 under the ones column this way, or 2 we can move as a carry forwarded number at the tens column. You can see this. 5 4s or 4 5s is equal to 20. So we can write down 0 under the ones column, or we can move 2 number as a carry forwarded number at the tens column. Now Let's multiply 5 with 6 or 6 with 5. So 5 6 or 6 5 is equal to 30. 5 6 and 6 5 is equal to 30. So we can add 2 number into the 30. 30 plus 2 is equal to 32. Here is the answer. I am writing 32. So how we can read the whole answer? The whole product is 320. We can read this answer as a 320. This is the answer. Now let's move for the next sum, which is 65 multiplied by 2. What is the next sum? 65 multiplied by 2. So let's pick the table number 2 here. 2 5s and 5 2s. 2 5s and 5 2s. How much it is? So 2 5s is equal to 10 and 5 2s is equal to also 10. So we can write down 0 under the ones column first here. You can check this. 5 2s and 2 5s is equal to 10. So we can write down 0 under the ones column, and 1 I can put as a carry forwarded number at the tens column. Now 2 6s, let's multiply 2 with the tens value, which is 6. So 2 6s and 6 2s. 2 6s and 6 2s is equal to 12. So we have to add one number which is carry forwarded into 12. Do you get it? So 12 plus 1 is equal to 13. 6 2s are 12 and 2 6s and 6 2s both are equal to 12. Plus 1 we have to add in the 12. So 12 plus 1 is equal to 30. 13. So how we can read this answer? 130. We can read the answer as a 130. Next sum, 16 multiplied by 7. 7 6s or 6 7s. How much it is together? 6 7s or 7 6s is equal to 42. So we can write down 2 under the ones column, or 4 we can write down as a carry forwarded number at the tens column. Now 7 1s are 7 or 1 7s are 7. Plus 4 I have to add in the 7. So 7 plus 4 is equal to 11. So what the answer we are getting? We are getting the answer 112. This is the answer we are getting. Let's go for the next sum, 52 multiplied by 5. What the next sum is? 52 multiplied by 5. Now 5 2s and 2 5s is equal to 10. So let's write 0 first under the ones column, and let's put 1 as a carry forwarded number at the tens column. Now 5 5s. So how much it is? 5 5s is equal to 25. Plus 1 we have to add in the 25. So 25 plus 1 is equal to 26. Check this. So what is the answer? 260. This is the answer. Now the next one, 74 multiplied by 9. So let's multiply 9 with 4 or 4 with 9. So 9 4s or 4 9s is equal to 36. So let's write 6 first under the ones column, and let's put 3 as a carry forwarded number at the tens column. Now 7 9s and 9 7s. How much it is? 63. Plus 3 we have to add in it, which is carry forwarded number. So 63 plus 63 plus 3 is equal to 66. So what the answer is? 666. This is the answer, 666. Let's go for the next sum, which is 14 multiplied by 4. So let's take this 4 4s. Let's multiply 4 with the 4. So 4 4s is equal to 16. So we can write down 6 under the ones column, or 1 we can put as a carry forwarded number. 4 4s 16. 6 we can write under the ones column, or 1 we can put at the carry forwarded number at the tens column. Now 1 4s or 4 1s is equal to 4 plus 1 we have to add in the 4 which is carry forwarded number. So 4 1s are 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. So what the answer is? 56. 14 multiplied by 4 is equal to 56. Now the next sum 91 multiplied by 8. So let's multiply first 8 with 1 or 1 with 8. 8 1s and 1 8s. Both are the same thing or will give you the same answer. 1 8s and 8 1s is equal to 8. So let's write down 8 under the ones column and then let's multiply 8 with 9. 9 is the tens value. 8 9s or 9 8s is equal to 72. So let's write 72 this way. So what is the answer? 728. What the answer we are getting? 728. This is the answer. Now 48 multiplied by 3. This is the next sum for us. 48 multiplied by 3. Now 3 8s or 8 3s is equal to 24. So we can write down 4 under the ones column or 2 we can put as a carry forwarded number at the tens column. Now let's multiply 3 with 4 or 4 with 3. 3 4s or 4 3s is equal to 12. So let's add 2 in the 12. 12 plus 2 is equal to 14. Here it is. So the answer is 144. Now 15 multiplied by 6. So let's multiply 6 with 5 or 5 with 6. 6 5s are 30. So we can write 0 and 3 is a carry forwarded number. Now 6 1s are 6 or 1 6s are 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. So the answer is 90. Now the next sum 27 multiplied by 6. So 6 7s or 7 6s is equal to 42. So we can write down 2 or 4 we can put as a carry forwarded number. Now 6 2s or 2 6s is equal to 12. We have to 4 number in it. 12 plus 4 is equal to 16. So the answer is 162. What the answer is? 162. Let's go for the next sum. 42 multiplied by 4. So 4 2s or 2 4s is equal to 8. So we can write down 8 under the ones column. Now 4 4s is equal to 16. So what the answer we are getting? 168. Now the next one 83 multiplied by 3. So 3 3s is equal to 9 and 8 3s is equal to 24. So what is the answer? 249. Now 48 multiplied by 1. So 1 8s is equal to 8 and 1 4s is equal to 4. So the answer we are getting 48 multiplied by 1 is equal to 48. This way we can write down the regrouping ones and tens together. This worksheet is of the regrouping ones and tens together. Please do revision of this worksheet at your home. That is very useful worksheet for you all. Now thank you so much students for watching this video. Now please do revision. Please write down all the worksheet that we had done in the lecture. Stay home, stay safe. Have a nice day. Please do revision. Bye bye students.